why Chima has not been answering my calls. Hey! I'm waiting for you. Chima, I will stand here till you come. Eh? You have to tell me this to my face. Eh? Hey! Jesus. These people, they think I'm afraid of them. Eh? Because they are royalty. Rubbish! I don't care about that. Eh? Chima, you want to do this to me? I will wait here. I will wait here for you. You cannot play with me and leave me like that. Can you imagine? What rubbish. I am waiting. I am waiting here. I don't care how long it takes you to get here. I will wait here for you. That's why you're not picking my calls. That's why you're not picking my calls. For this rubbish. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Hey.
Mama, how is she doing?
She has been like this ever since I came in. What did the doctor say?
Doctor said another test will be carried out tomorrow to know what exactly is wrong with her.
The first one that was done, what happened to it? What did it say?
The first one, first test. The first test didn't come out well. Something isn't right in it. But another test will be done.
Another test?
Yes. Do not bother yourself. She'll be fine, okay? My dear, you'll be fine, okay? I'll make sure of that. Okay? Oh, come on, stop crying. Stop. You'll be fine, okay?
I will not do it. I cannot do this. Eh? You must marry me. Bet me. You will marry me, oh.
You're better.
Hey.
You don't have to create a scene. Let's go inside and talk.
Talk about what? Chima, we have nothing to talk about. We have absolutely nothing to talk about. Look at where they kept me. This is where your mother told me to stand outside, like an outsider. Like I'm the rejected one. Eh? I remember vividly. Chima, I asked you. I told you that day. Will you marry me? What is going to happen? What was your response? What did you answer me?
Listen, I know that we had an agreement, alright, but things have changed and things are a bit out of my control. That is why I've asked that we go inside and talk.
Chima, this is rubbish. What you have just said is absolute rubbish. Pure nonsense. Eh? See, come and take me home now. Or else I will begin to scatter everything here. I will start breaking things in this palace. What? Hey.
Why have you suddenly turned into a tigress because of this issue? I have just told you that we can talk about it. We can sort things out.
I can see that you and your mother are playing with fire. You want to dance with fire. See, you people have decided to pay me off, right? That is what you want, to pay me off, to send me away. Eh? Fine, no problem. I need 50 million naira. 50 million naira.
What's wrong with you?
I'll kill you, Chima. Pay me the money, I'll kill you. You can't play with me, I'm not a toy. Chima. 50 million naira, that's what I want. That is what I want. You can't play with me, I'm not a toy.
Is this the same girl that I have known all these years? What is this?
What do we call this? What is this? How do we go about this whole thing? What is this?
Mom, this is time for brother to show his love for the girl.
How? To donate one of his kidneys to her?
Sure, he can do it. He can.
But would you not agree to do that?
You have to make him do it. Make him do it more.
In that case, we're going to talk about it with him. He has to buy it from someone or anyone.
Just I don't want him to lose John.
Mom, Mildred has just shown her true colors. Ah, you should have seen her. Mom, I have never been this disappointed in that. She was raving and ranting at the entrance of the palace. Threatening me, Mom. I have never seen her. You know, she was acting like someone who is possessed by some evil spirit.
I knew it. I saw this coming. Thank God this happened. If this hadn't come up, you wouldn't have been this lucky. In that case, you're not going to marry that girl again. Even if you don't marry Choma, not Mildred, you will never marry her. Brother, let her go. Simply let her go.
I'm shocked. Mom, something is wrong. I have never seen her in this state before. Something is wrong. You should have seen her. She was acting like a mad woman. She didn't even care if she embarrassed me. Do you know that she threatened to kill me if we did not pay her for 15 million naira?
What?
I'm serious.
She is mad.
She must be arrested.
Immediately. I tell you. Hey, that girl is mad. I tell you.
Why is all of this happening now?
Hey.
What is going on?
It's all about the sacrifice from the heart that gave. If onanya sikwarike, if onanya tekwanumimio, yeah, osiriki wepezi funanya, osiriki wepezi, yeah, osiriki wepezi, esi funanya no feruntoba osiriki wepezi, manichota ya, nataka yegosikia osiriki wepezi.
My son, how did it go?
Mom, there is a problem.
What? Will she die?
No, God forbid. Her kidney is very bad.
What? Okay, well.
Come on, let's go in. Dad has to be aware. Let me know his opinion on this.
But what do we do now?
Let me just know his opinion on this.
Are you out of your mind? Chili, you want me to do what?
To donate your kidney and prove to her that you love her.
I don't love her. I love my father. And that is why I agreed to this whole arrangement in the first place, to please the king and not the maid.
That is the spirit. The same thing we are both talking about. Chima, all you need to do is to play along. No one will know your intentions. Why don't you think about it?
You want me to think about it? Is this how low and desperate you've gotten over this matter? That you want your only son to risk his life over material acquisitions? Really?
No. I want my son to marry a girl in order to please his father, my own husband. I don't want Tina and her children to take the love of my husband from me.
I see.
Think about it. Just think.
I'm going to make some calls later and either find someone who's willing to donate a kidney or somewhere where we can buy one.
Better.
Kidney problem. Big man sickness.
That is to say, she will die.
No, now. She will not die. The king will buy it for her now. If the king doesn't buy it, there's one of the sons will.
Are you sure they will be willing to go to that extent? Like, are you sure they will want to spend that kind of money?
Why? They will do it. I mean, it's their fault. It was not because of them she fell down. And they wouldn't want to have such a bad record. So I know they will do it.
I pray she dies.
Eh?
Yes. I want her to die. I mean, her own is too much. She got herself into this mess, you know.
Joy. Me, I don't want her to die, you. She will recover. She will get well. She will live. I mean, it's not her fault that everyone in the palace wants her. It's not her fault now. Or is it her fault that you have a bad luck? It's not her fault.
What did you say? You are a big fool. Idiot. You are the one that do not have good luck. Yes, I said what I said. What will you do? And why will I not take it personal? You are an idiot.
You hate your mother more.
I hate including you. You have been working in this palace over the years.
Hey.
What did you achieve? Okay. Nothing. Just to cook, eat, and...
Please. Joy, calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. We're in the palace. You're shouting. It hasn't gotten to that. Please.
Bless you.
Why?
Gods of my ancestors, why me? Why did you allow this to happen to this poor girl?
Dad, do not worry yourself. I am going to sort it out.
How? Do you think it is easy to get a good kidney? Or do you want to donate?
Calm down, Dad. I'll make a few calls and see what's possible.
Why don't any of you want to donate? If I'm not as old as I am, I would have donated.
Daddy, is that how much you love that girl?
Yes! And that's how much I want every one of you to love her. Just that this is unfortunate. Okay. I will call a doctor and see what we can do for her.
I am going to do it for her.
Afam.
We are going to do this.
If she happens to be my younger sister, I'm not going to let her die. I'll still do the same.
Are you okay? Eh? Are you out of your mind? What did you say then?
I know what I said, and that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Mom, hold your son. Hold your only son. He wants to go and kill himself for nothing. What do people see in that girl?
I wonder. Afam, you are not going to do it.
This is no longer an issue. It's my life. Or is it not my life?
Hey.
So I am free to use it and love anyone.
Ha, Mom. When I said that she uses charm, you didn't believe me.
I believe you. I believe you. What is this? I am tired of this game. I will talk to the king. If he wants to will everything to Chema, let him go ahead and do that.
Mommy,
I will not stand and lose myself because of any girl. Will you
Mommy,
shut up?
don't try that.
I am going to have issues with you if you do. Do you want to ruin the joy I've given to the king? Mom, you will not like me if you do.
Afam! Mom! When I said it, you were busy supporting him. Now look at the outcome. You see?
Amanda,
Afam wants to kill himself.
I didn't know he's going to get up to this. Jim, my son, I beg you, please don't do this to us. We are going to lose a whole lot. I know your father. Biko no one, Biko. I'm begging you.
Mom, I have offered the best assistance that I can under the circumstance that we find ourselves in. I'll make calls, Mom. I promised I'll make calls. I'll see how I can get a kidney to pay for. If we succeed, fine. If we don't, it is what it is. My father can go ahead and give this kingdom to whoever he chooses. Really, I don't care.
Biko, don't do this to us, Biko. This is not about you and this girl. It's about you and Dad.
No, it's about my life. Mom, can you not see it? The risk involved is too much. Even Afam's mother was not happy that he made that promise. And you're here pushing me. Do you want me to die? What if I die? Just what if I die? Afam will still go ahead and marry that girl. We'll have to apply wisdom. That's how it works.
Hey, Chie, what she told you is what happened. She's pregnant for me.
And what is your plan?
Our marriage. No problem. She's welcome. I'm going to marry her. Tomorrow, I'll go to the city and meet my sister. Mbutego. When I come back, I'll come and see you people. Then we'll start arrangement. But
what?
Yes. I will still marry my Zodika's daughter. To avoid tomorrow, somebody will say that Chukwuemeka married 2 wives.
But I was the first to tell you that I'm pregnant now.
That is why I will first marry you. First to take in, first to come in.
Which Mazodika daughters are you talking about?
Ifeoma, she's pregnant for me as well.
Hey, Jesus.
Grace, are you all this foolish? Huh?
Well, I don't have anything to say. Papa, sister, brother. As for you, sister, anything you see, you take. You, brother, if you like, marry 20 wives. It's your own business.
I will marry.
You don't marry her. You don't marry her.
What are you saying? Are you waiting for bride price? Go on, look at her. Oh, look at who is talking. I will not marry her. No, come back. You better come back now and choose portion of the kitchen where you'll be cooking your food. To avoid tomorrow, you say that you are the first to take in, and somebody is first to take a portion of kitchen. You'll be cooking your food. Nonsense. Don't worry. Come one, come all. I have a manhood that is working. Everybody should come. Nonsense.
Oh, Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome. You came back this night again?
Yes, I had to. Oh, please have this. I brought you people food.
Really?
Yes.
Food? Oh, thank you so much. God will bless you, my son.
Okay, Mama.
So much. God will bless you, my son.
Thank you, Mama. Mama? Has she been sleeping since then?
Yes, she slept a few minutes ago.
Okay.
My prince.
Yes, Mama.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you not telling me what is wrong with my daughter?
Mama, please. Just calm down and stop worrying yourself, okay? Whatever it is, she'll be fine. I'll make sure of that. Okay? My dear.
Hi, Prince.
How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Please. What is wrong with me?
My dear. You'll be fine, okay? Mama. I want you people to take it easy. Soon, she'll be fine. Okay? I'll make sure of that.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you very much.
Mom, I have checked his room. He's not there.
Where will he be by now?
Maybe hospital.
It's a lie. Who told you that?
If not in his room, where else will he be? He's not used to late nights, and you know it.
Oh my God. This boy has gone to do this. Amanda, let us go and stop him.
Go where? Hey, Mommy, please. I cannot come with you. Eh? I told you earlier. You said that I hated the girl. That I was making things hard for my brother. If he wants to die, let him go and die. If he likes, let him go and kill himself. I don't care. Please, I want to go and sleep.
Amanda, your brother is on his way to die. Let us go. In fact, tell the guy to prepare the car.
I'll do that, but I'm going nowhere. Please, good night.
What am I going to do now? How will I explain this to her people? Oh, Chineke, God, save me, save me. Hey, Ebube, you know I will never wish you death. You know, I didn't know you were calling me for inhaler. Oh, bad advisors has made us to fight all the time. Bad advisors had made us to fight all the time, Ebube. Oh, what will I do? What will I do now? God.
My prince, thank you so much.
Gemma, I love you. I love you very much. When I said that to you, you never believed me.
We now believe you. Yes, we believe you. Thank you so much. God bless you, my son.
Thank you, ma.
My prince, God will keep you alive to marry my daughter. Okay?
Amen.
Sir, the doctor has gone home.
Okay.
It will be tomorrow morning.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
My queen, Shoma, you're welcome.
Thank you. Shoma, how are you?
My queen, I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you. Sorry for what we caused you.
There's really nothing to be sorry about. I'll be fine.
Amen. I said let me come and see you. Afam, you didn't tell me when you were coming. I would have come with you.
Mom, I didn't want to disturb you.
What about the doctor?
He has gone home. Everything will now be tomorrow.
When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice.
Brother, so you are serious about going to the city to beat him up?
Why would I be serious? Why would I be serious?
Guys, you need to plan this when we get to the city. Understand? You have to plan on how we attack him. I go boy.
How else do you attack somebody? How else will you attack somebody? We are three. Very simple. You. Target his money. You. Target his eyes. While I smack his neck. He will die. Simple.
On one.
That is how to...
One hand.
Take care of the house. Let's go.
Hey, you people should be careful, though.
Bam.
Now him, is him.
Huh?
He's the one coming.
He will die where?
Oh! He has killed himself. He has killed himself. Let him come down.
Let him come.
Let him come down and die. He cannot die inside the car.
He will die where?
My in-laws. Welcome to your grave. My in-laws.
Please, I need you to hear me out. I have something to tell you. Please, hear me out.
Hear you out? Yes. Hear you out as in what? Eh? Hear you out for beating our sister? See, today you will see what you have done to yourself by coming to this village. Eh? You will die where today?
Oh, you now call me your in-law? Yes, sir. You now call us your in-law. But I came to the city. You called police for me. You called police for me. Now listen, let me tell you. You don't know what I'm going to call for you in this village. Vigilant group.
Yes.
Vigilant group. They will gather you. As you see us now, you have planned to come to the city. Huh? They will finish you. Welcome to your grave. Welcome to your grave. Now come to yourself.
Let's finish this guy here.
My in-laws, please, let's just calm down, eh? Yes. I'll talk these things over.
Calm down what? Eh? As his lawyer, who is his lawyer or what?
Judge and Bell.
Eh? See, so you were there when he was beating our sister. What did you do? Did you do anything?
Judge and Bell, let me tell you.
You got join here now. I get both of you now.
You know, that was family misunderstanding, grisly misunderstanding.
Understanding, and you beat her. Misunderstanding, is standing and you are beating her.
Grisly misunderstanding, and you are beating her.
Yes.
Let me tell you, Judge and Bell will not save you. You are in trouble already. You see that in-law? Remove the law. The in is in trouble. That is what you are.
Yes.
You are in trouble now. Because the only thing that will save you is that you call my sister on phone. Let me speak to her.
What?
Yes. Because I've been calling her since yesterday. She refused to pick my call. Call her. She will tell me, oh, Nemeka, my brother, forgive him. Forgiving him. He will be free. If not, Onny, Nudo, John,
My in-laws.
What is it?
Something happened to Ebube.
Yes.
Yes.
What happened to Ebube?
Wow, no.
What happened to her? Is she missing?
Doc!
She's dead.
What? No. Sister is dead.
Emeka one more. Hey!
What? No. So you mean this is how Ebube died? Hey!
Yes, Lord. That John has finally killed my friend. The heartless John he associated.
You see why I will never die for my husband. I will not. He better die. Because I can't die for him. Okay, now. What will he tell her people now? What?
Oh.
I trust Emeka. I know Emeka is going to deal with that foolish John. He will never go unpunished. God will punish that man. He has finally killed my friend. My number one customer in this store. I just feel so bitter. Emeka, no. It shouldn't have been you.
She's dead. She just died that way.
What a waste. My friend is good now. So you will not go unpunished.
The Ebube is gone. Hey!
You will death me.
I'm not guilty of all these allegations leveled against me. I know I and my wife had our differences, but I can never wish her death. I love my wife, I love Ebube. I can't wish her death.
He's a lie. He's a lie. My sister has been calling me And she has been telling me what you have been doing to her. Yes. You have been threatening to kill her, now you have done it. Hey!
Please, calm down.
Listen. There's only one way. Only one way. To know if he is lying or not. Yes. You have to go to the shrine. Yes. You must swear.
Yes.
You will swear.
I'm a Christian. I can't partake in all those sweaty stuff. I can't swear.
You said what?
I never killed my wife.
You said what?
I didn't kill Ebube. I did not kill Ebube.
Listen to me.
Mom, I'm going to the hospital. I know it.
My son, think about what you're about to do. Do you know what it means for one to live with just one kidney? Oh my God. Hey.
What is going on here?
Good morning, my king.
Dad, I greet you. Morning.
I saw both of you arguing.
It's nothing, my king. Afam here wants to go to the hospital to see Chioma.
Thank you, my son. You have made me proud.
Dad, I want to go to the hospital to see if my kidney will match with that of Chioma's Onny, so I can give to her.
Oh, you want to do that? Come, my son. Let me pray for you. My son, you will do this and come back alive.
See?
Go and do it. No evil will befall you.
You say?
Today you have proven that I am your father. My son, go and succeed.
Thanks, Dad.
My son, please come back. I don't want anything to happen to you. Come back to me.
Stop that, woman. Stop
I don't want anything to happen to you.
Stop that.
Igwe, this is unfair. This is not fair.
Love is not about the beauty. Love is not about the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart that gave. If unanya sikwarike, if unanya.
Go out there now. The king is giving his blessings to Afam because he wants to go to the hospital and donate one of his kidneys to that girl. Why don't you drive to the hospital? In fact, overtake him. Get there and do it before he comes.
To what end, Mom? Just let him do it. Let him take it.
Hey. We have lost the battle. Chima, you have finished me. You know what Hey! Hey! Okay, CJ. Chima, you have finished me. What am I living in this house again for? Lost everything. Hey! Whoa. Hey!
Many will say I need you, but only what they want is what they stand.
How may we help you, sir?
I'm here for the kidney operation for my woman, Chioma.
Oh, that's... Yeah. Sorry, sir. The operation cannot hold today.
Why?
Because the surgeon in charge will be coming tomorrow morning.
What is this? I do not want this girl to die. I do not want this girl to die.
She's not going to die.
can babble with you. True love is
Now they said the surgeon in charge will be available tomorrow.
Oh, thank God. My son was even on his way to the hospital. Look at him dressed.
Well, it's good. Let them put things in order. That will be done tomorrow.
When someone says I love you, he must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, many will say I need you, but only what they want is what they stand to be.
Welcome, my daughter.
I greet you all.
Your Majesty.
Welcome, Choma.
Greetings all.
Choma, I was at the hospital and the nurse told me that the operation will not be done today.
Yes, there won't be need for that anymore.
Oh, thank God.
The case is settled now. I was never sick.
Yes, she was never sick. I only wanted to know who amongst the two of you really want to marry her and make me happy.
Afam, thank you. You were there yesterday and even today. We saw you. You have really proven how much you love me. I do not need anyone to tell me who to marry. Like I said, I was never sick. It was all planned by the Igwe and I. Thank you. Thank you very much.
But okay, my daughter, come. Let's go. Please, doctor, come along. Come along, come along.
When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you.
Collins,
My brother.
those guys, Emeka's boys, they are bad. They dealt with me. They dealt with me.
I told you let's go there with police. But you refused.
Collins, it would have been worse. It would have been worse to Collins.
My guy, I think we should pay these guys off. Yes, pay them off with some money. Now you're already on cash.
Collins, let me go and rest first. Headache. My teeth.
This is serious.
My back, oh.
I think you should need some. Let me assist you.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Definitely. Definitely. Eh? Oh, just go. Okay, I will, eh? Take care of yourself, eh?
Finally. If they want to kill him, let them kill him.
How? That serves him right. That serves him right. Men are so wicked. Men are so heartless. He's lucky. He can't try that with my sister. If he tries that with my sister, I will kill him. Trust me, he will die.
I just hope that man will not use his money to bribe Emeka.
Emeka will try no such thing. He will not. Is he mad? He will not accept money over his sister's life. No, now. He will not.
He won't dare it. This is how it will be left this wicked world. I still can't believe that my friend is gone. Hey.
She's gone like that.
You see why I'm scared of getting married? Because of all this problem here and there. This one want to kill this one. Because me, as for me, I'm not ready to trade my life with any man's love. Any man that will want to kill me, Uche, God, I will kill that man. I will kill that man before that man can kill me.
It's a pity. Our friend is gone, but it is what it is. Yeah. We are still alive, so we just have to believe the best and doubt the worst.
Yeah.
It's okay, I have to start going now.
Hello? Okay, you're coming to the store now. Alright, can wait.
My son, you have made me happy. You have also shown me how brave you are.
Dad, I told you I love her.
My prince, thank you so much.
My daughter, we love you.
I love you all too. I love you more. She's beautiful.
My son, you have done a great thing. I am further going to shock you. Just hold on. God.
Your Highness.
My son,
Mom?
you have made us proud. It's time for you to receive blessings from your father, the king.
Emeka, you have to cheer up. Even if we beat John to death, it will not bring our sister back to life.
But we will not let him go scot-free. He must pay us. He must pay you. At least he will bring very big money. Yes. Very big money before we can pardon him and let him go.
How much will I tell him that will equate to my sister's life?
That is it.
How much will it equate my sister's life? How much will I tell him that worth my sister's life?
I understand you, Emeka, but you know you don't have to lose everything.
Yes.
At least collect this money from him. Remember, you have 2 women to marry. You need this money more than I.
So like now, how much do you think I will pay him?
Let him bring 20 million or even more.
Or 30 million.
Understand? Let him bring 30 million. If not, we will threaten to burn down his house.
Yes.
Or we even tell him that our village oracle will kill him.
Yes.
Yes. Then you now find a way of using your own 10 million wisely.
Yes.
You see, everything will be going fine.
If you give us 30 million, I'll manage 10 million. What happened to 20 million?
We are not fighting this battle alone. At least we, your friends, we are putting hands in settling the matter. Understand? Yes. You take 10 million, he take 10 million. And me, I have 10 million. Everybody will find something to you. Understand?
You should have told me that you people want to use my sister's debt to become somebody. You want to use my sister's debt to become rich.
And by that time, we will not become rich too.
2 million. 2 million. The same cause of no answer.
You're talking.
My son, for today, you have shown me that you are the one who took after me in the act of bravery. I had said to you and your brother that I will give half of my kingdom to whoever marries you. I am not going to do that today. But I hand over to you the whole kingdom. My whole kingdom.
No! Even no! Your Majesty cannot do this to me. You cannot do this to me. Chima, my son is the first son of this kingdom. You cannot give what belongs to me to another. You cannot do that to me. You cannot do that to me.
Father, you cannot do this. It is not right, Father.
It is my right. And no one, I repeat, no one can tell me what I can or cannot do. When you, Chima, chose not to make me happy, it was your right to choose what you want to do or not to do. Now don't tell me that again.
Father, you cannot give what belongs to me to another, Father. I am your first son, Father. I am the heir to the throne, Father. By tradition, I am the next king of this kingdom, Father. Hey, if you do this, I would leave. Father, I would leave this kingdom never to return. Father, if you do this, I am going to rid myself of every royalty in me. Father, don't do this. Hey, God, if you do this, you have lost this.
Brother!
No, let me go. No! No, please. Please. Let me go. Please don't. Don't do this.
I don't have a place here. No.
Don't do this.
Let me go.
Father, we are your sons. Let's stop this fight. My sisters, my mothers, let's stop this unhealthy fight and live as one in peace. We need peace. Brother, please. You are the heir apparent to the throne. You are my brother. My blood brother. If you leave this palace, you're going to hurt me. I think it's right for me to give to you what belongs to you. Because you've given me what I wanted. Shoma here. It's enough for me. Please, let us rule this kingdom together. You are the rightful person for this throne. Please, don't go. Please. I crave indulgence to bless us. Bless me and my brother, please. Father, he's the heir apparent to the throne. Brother, please go. Please, crown him, please.
If that is what you want, so be it. Chima, my son, I restore to you what belongs to you. You are my first son and the heir apparent to my throne, and the next king of this land after me. I know that your brother, Afam, will be there to support you in all that you do. With this, my greatest fear have been averted. I hereby crown you heir apparent to my kingdom. I therefore bless you. Thank you. You are blessed. You are blessed. And our kingdom shall remain blessed and prosperous.
Thank you. You say.
Come here. You're my son. You're my son. You're a great man.
Love is not about the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart. If unanya sifuri, if unanya tekwanomilio, yeah, osibiki wetezi funanya. Osibiki wetezi, yeah. Osibiki wetezi, esi funanya no ferarun toda oh oh. Osibiki wetezi, manichota ya, nataka yego sikia oh. Osibiki wetezi, hey. When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you. But only what they want is what they stand to gain.